Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're gonna learn how to make that website we did the last time. So you see, I promised that we're gonna make the cube and all that, but today we couldn't do it because it wouldn't work for some reason. I don't know why. But we did a checkbox where you have to answer questions. It's like same, but it's like just you have to answer questions like what's your favorite food, how old are you? Just two questions. Then we have a summit button. So I'll show you how the code looks like. I mean, what it looks like when we run the code. Before that, I'm gonna explain the code. So from where? You know all this from where? To line 32 to line 56. From that whole line, and also the simple part is easy for you for the ones that watch my video. I'm gonna mostly explain about the function because that's the most important thing. Okay, so let's get into it. Define selection, def selection. If option 1 not get, if we check that option, message box show info, we have successfully logged in. Then we have to make a top level. So we make a new window. Then we have a window 1.title, which is questions, which we're going to answer some questions. Geometry 640, x 430. Label, answer the questions. So what is your favorite food? Here's a check box. I mean, we call that check button. That check box doesn't exist anymore. Pizza, pasta, or other. Okay, then pack all those options and give some pad wide 10, like 10. Then how old are you? And give the pad Y, that's the label. Now here's where the check button starts. 40, 10, or other. Okay? You choose. Then we have this submit button. Or else, if we don't agree with the terms and conditions, message box show warning we have not agreed with the terms. What's this thing? And conditions. That's better. Anyways, so if I run the code, I'll show you how it looks. Now, when I show you how the code looks, it feels like it's an actual website. So let's say my company little Timmy's website. Oh, capital. Then for password, we can say little Timmy. What am I doing? 1, 2, 3. If I don't agree with the terms, we haven't agreed to the terms and conditions. If I do, we log in. Now we're in our question. So this is check button. So what we can choose multiple answers. Like let's say I choose pasta is my favorite food. Actually, my favorite food's pizza. How old I am? I'm 10. Okay? But that's not my real information. I'm 9 and my favorite food is pasta. Okay? Now look, it's just a submit button. It's not clickable. Doesn't do anything. So well, now here's where we're gonna start the code because I just don't want to always like show and explain. So we're actually gonna do the code. Command equals to display. Yeah, display. Now we're gonna do this. Words display. Display. What we're gonna do is, because since it's gonna be easy, all we have to do is what am I doing? Message box dot show info, right? We're gonna show success. Success. No, not login. What am I doing? You have successfully answered the question. Answered the questions. Right there. I don't know why. Yeah, exactly. Like that. Then after that, we're gonna make a button close. So all we're gonna do is what we do here. button button 1 equals to tk.button. Okay. Now text equals to close, which we're actually gonna close the button. So all we have to do here, what am I doing? So all we have to do here is this, comma, window, one dot destroy. Destroy. Right? Now what we're gonna be doing, all we have to do, ow. That's it, I think. Yeah, just stop, run the code again. Oh, what am I doing? Window, one dot destroy. Oh, right there. Forgot that. Okay, oh, my bad. I didn't pack it. Wait, let me try packing it. CON1 dot pack pad y equals 10. Okay, so we're gonna. So I figured out the error. Forgot to use command. Now, if we run the code, this thing should work. Let's write anything. Ba, 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 ba. We can write anything for now, okay? So what's your favorite food? Pasta. How old am I? Other. Now for the submit button. What was that? The submit button. Yeah, the display. So let's see what happened here. Console. Oh yeah, I think I know what happened. Probably it's because of the close button. Try running it now. Now no errors. You have to agree with the terms. We agreed. My favorite food is pasta. I'm not 10 years old. Okay, I'll find out the error. Let's see what's happening. I figured out the problem. I had to do this because I had to write the function before actually making the button. Okay, that's why that happened. Now if I run it, no error should be happening. Blah, 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 blah. Anything we can write. I agree with the terms and conditions. Log in. We have successfully logged in. Now pasta. Right check button. I can choose options. Right? You have successfully answered the questions. Okay. That's how it is. So thank everyone for listening about how to make this website. Okay? I hope you like it and